What is up, you guys? JackNB2 here, and this first scene you're going to see is we are on the high ground and the enemy is on the low ground. Well, we exchange crossfire and our entire team gets massacred, and then we regroup and we go and push up to base 7.
You're in the tree line, get behind the bush! Hit! shot. How the flippity flop did you get it? Oh, and there's somewhere else then.
Yeah, I know.
No, I was on base 7. I was on the flag. Didn't even know it. Pushed out into the trenches. Turn around, it's there. I'm like, what?
Yo, we literally took our slow.
All right. Position up to defend forever. We have 12 minutes.
All right, let's go to
Thomas.
5. Let's go to
Thomas.
5.
They're flanking around. They're flanking around. Someone take the flag and run. Take this and run to base 7. Just go. Just go.
Base 7's covered.
There's no one there. They're all right here. Yes. Just we have teammates over there. Just out sprint. If too much of us go, they'll know. Just go. Alright. This way. Dead? Blue? No, we'll go with him. Push to base 7. Tell him to push base 7. We have the flag. Just go. Covering fire! Go to base 7. There's no one there. They're all right here. Just go. Genji. What's gonna get this flag? I shot. Oh, hit. I shot you. Go, push in. This door, guys, this door has to stay closed. Unless you're going into it. It's just a rule. We don't have the flag. We don't. I have a lot of those actually, but
Was the symbol like an airsoft, a white airsoft thing?
if you can tell me the name, I'll probably remember it.
I don't know. It's but it had the green and black.
Oh yeah.
That was you?
I think so. Who's the poster?
I don't know. It's, but it had a dragon on.
Yeah, Dragon WB2. Yeah, that's me.
I'll look. Are you gonna post it on YouTube?
This one? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll look for it. There's no way we can
This last part I might not add in because it's just boring. You know what I'm saying? Were you the one that commented on it?
No.
No, someone commented on it. I was like, hey, yeah, I'm at the end.
Well, I
to keep looking on there to see if anyone posts videos, see if I'm in them. But
Yeah, I saw you like take your GoPro off.
yeah, I'm just like make sure it's recording.
Alright,
The game's gonna end like any minute now.